Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly health, career, and finances reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of December 2025. I'm not a career counselor, I'm not a medical advisor, I'm not a financial advisor. Just checking in the energies if they resonate good. If not, this is not your story. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay, don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Virgo, let's see what we have. For your health, let's see what we guys have. Ace of Wands. Okay, you guys are going to be very, very excited. You guys are going to start something brand new like gymming, cycling, swimming, or some kind of physical activity, and you're going to be very, very excited and very much passionate about this brand new beginning, about this brand new start. It's like something that you're very, very excited about. For some of you, you guys are going to be very sexually active this particular month, and you're going to enjoy that thing, but at the same time, you have to be very, very cautious too. But there is energy of let's do it, being very active, doing something about your health, and being super excited. I am getting excited by saying all of this to you. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for your health. Nine of Swords, sleeping at time. Sleep cycle. If you are not going to take care of your sleep cycle, nothing is going to work out in your favor, Virgo. If you are going to continuously, sleep at 3 a.m. and wake up at 11:30 a.m. and thinking like everything is going to be fine, insomnia, anxiety, sleepless nights, and a fucked up sleep cycle is definitely going to have very bad impact on your physical, mental, and emotional health too. So while you are being in this energy of okay, let's do something about my health, first of all you have to take care of your sleep cycle. That's very, very important. Okay, if you have insomnia or sleeping problems, you should go and connect with a doctor or somebody, maybe take help from Ayurveda or meditations, but do something about it. Otherwise nothing is going to work out in your favor the way it should. Okay, let's see what we have for those of you who are working for others or doing job. Let's see for this month. World card. You might get an opportunity to go to a different city, for some of you different country, but it is going to be like a tour kind of thing, tour or traveling kind of a thing, and it's going to make you feel very happy. For some of you, you are about to reach the end of some kind of project, completion of a cycle in your job thing, and it's going to make you feel very happy, and that's going to open your path for new opportunities as well, and you're quite excited about this completion of a cycle. For some of you, it's like a traveling thing, and it's going to make you feel excited, and you are going to get good opportunities to grow. If not, you are going to have some kind of completion of a project or cycle or something, and that's going to help you to open your path for other opportunities also, and it's quite exciting. Awesome. Global projects or global traveling and something like that, or you are going to get globally recognized or something, rewarded. Awesome energy. Guidance, star. Remain optimistic and positive the way you are right now. Keep on doing whatever you are doing, Virgo, because it's working out in your favor, right? Remain optimistic and positive and open to the idea of getting opportunities from all over the world. Maybe you're not going to get the opportunity, like opportunity maybe other job opportunity or opportunity of growth or opportunity of shifting to another city, another country, whatever you're looking forward to have. Be open-minded, be optimistic, open-minded to the idea of getting the opportunities from those places, unexpected places also, where you might not be expecting it to happen, right? So be flexible and open-minded in this regards. Okay, that is going to help you. Okay, let's see for those of you who are working for themselves, self-employed, or have their own business thing. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. The Hierophant. Okay, so it's like you are going to figure out, you are going to find a mentor or a guru or a person or a spiritual person maybe, who is going to help you to figure out the issues that you're facing in your business thing. You should definitely take help from somebody who is superior to you, who is expert in this field of yours, and who can help you to figure out the ways to get out of some kind of issues or problems that you guys are facing in your business thing or self-employment thing. For some of you, you are going to go to take blessings of a guru or some kind of spiritual religious figure maybe, and it's going to help you a lot, because your energies are going to shift and you are going to feel like, okay, now I can do a lot better in my business thing, and you are going to feel like moving forward, and it's going to happen in a very beautiful and positive way. But like a father figure or a spiritual person or a healer or a mentor or a guide, their energies are going to be around you, and it's going to help you a lot in moving forward in your business thing. Awesome, super awesome. Let's see the guidance here. Four of Wands in reverse. Don't waste your time on things or people or situations that you know are not going to have a long-term potential. Your goal, your vision is to create something long-term, something stable, something that is going to be there for you maybe for the rest of your life. If you are going to waste your time, efforts, and energies on something that you know is not good for you or is not going to give you anything at the end of the day, then you are creating blockages for yourself, Virgo. Yeah, no one else, nothing else is to blame here then, right? So if you have a goal, if you have a long term goal, you have to focus on keeping your energy safe and intact for those people, situations, or things that can help you in moving forward, right? Cool. Learn to ignore and avoid those small obstacles or challenges that you might face in your day-to-day life, in your business or self-employment thing. Okay, that is going to help you a lot in keeping your energies intact and keeping your things going in your life. What is wrong with the cards today, honey? They're getting flipped again and again. Okay, let's see, for those of you who are seeking for a new job or maybe starting a new business thing, let's see what we have. Three of Wands. You guys have to face a little bit more delay, like 3 weeks, a little bit, approximately 3 weeks more, and then you are going to get an opportunity to move forward in your life. For some of you, this is like not from the place where you're expecting it to hear from. It may be overseas, it may be from different city or different office or different work area or from uh, different set of clients or something. It's like a little bit more delay, and then things will start moving forward in your favor. It's going to be slow and steady kind of a process. It's not going to be like a overnight success or something, but you will eventually be able to get that opportunity that you're looking forward to have. So a lot of patience and preparation from your side is important. Okay, keep on preparing, keep on doing your thing. Keep your mind and energies and emotions stable, and keep moving forward. You will get it eventually. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys. What's wrong, Virgo? Okay, I'll take a break after this, honey. We'll take a break after this. Okay, love you. Let's see. My cards, they start behaving very odd when I overuse them sometimes. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, keep on putting in the effort and energy from your side, Virgo, in the right direction. Right, it's very important. Just give me a second. So the more you are going to put in the effort and energies from your side in the right direction, the more your path is going to be easier and peaceful for you, right? So don't waste your time, efforts, and energy in something where you know that's not your path or that's not your goal, right? Stay focused on your path and keep on doing whatever it takes from your side in order to achieve your goals. Okay, honey? Okay, Virgo. Let's see for your finances what we have for this month. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. What's wrong, Virgo? Why your cards are coming in reverse even if the deck is not in reverse position? What is wrong, honey? I don't know. Anyways, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, you are going to feel a little bit unstable when it comes to your finances. You are going to feel like, okay, you're not able to save enough, or you're not able to invest enough, or your investments or your savings are not giving you the results that you were anticipating to get. So there's a sense of unstable energies. It's not like losses or you are going to go down or something major is happening. It's like you are going to feel a little bit shaken. You're going to be like, okay, this is not what I was expecting this month to look like. I think you're going to overspend on something, and or you will not be able to save enough or invest enough, and it's going to make you feel a little bit like out of the line or out of the path of yours, right? For earth sign people, money, finances matters a lot. That's why even if it is going to be slight energy of here and there, here or there, you are going to feel shaken a little bit. You are going to feel like, okay, my God, no, 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 no. That's the kind of energy. It's not something major. It's not something like, oh my God, the world is ending or something. But you might feel a little bit unstable. You are going to feel like, no, 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 this is not how it should be. So you are going to come back to the line again, or at least you will try to. Let's see the guidance here. I don't like reverse cards. Let's see the guidance here. Three of Cups. Do not overspend your money on friends or people who are just there with you for fun. Or don't, you know, don't overspend your money if you will not be able to manage the finances afterwards. If you are going to regret it later on. See, if you're doing something and you're enjoying it and you're feeling good about it, then it's a good thing. Then by all means enjoy your life to the fullest. It's your life, not mine, right? But if you feel like you're spending money on stupid things and just for fun you're doing it, afterwards you are losing your calm, you're losing your sleep, and you are feeling like shit, then think about it. First of all, don't waste your money on others, especially on those others where you know they are they are there just for fun, or they are there just for your money, or they are there just for the time being, seasonal friends or seasonal people or things. And second thing, if you are not enjoying spending your money on things that you should not be spending it on, then it's high time for you to learn about the balance, learn about how to maintain your peace and calm and enjoy your life also. That's what you have to learn. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.